So the first thing you have to do is to draw a construction line, a very faint, using 2H or HB. Then you draw the center line. Draw the center line. And after doing that, you've got the bigger circle which has got a radius of 40. Since we're given the diameter of 80, that means the radius is 40. And you draw a board circle of radius 40. Then in order for you to draw those gears, you have to trace the circles, and we have an inner circle of radius 21, that is 42 divided by 2, that is 21. Then you draw a construction circle. Then you also have another circle of radius 65 divided by 2, that is 32.5. You should also remember that all measurements are in millimeters. Okay. Then in order for me to draw the tooth of the gear, I'll use a 60-degree set square to draw the tooth of the gear. Okay. Then the width of the gears is 8. That means if I divide 8 by 2, I have to draw 4 on each side, then also 4 on the horizontal side, then 4 on the opposite diagonal, that is 4. And after that, I draw my construction lines using 2H. You can also draw that using HB. You just have to make sure that your construction lines are very faint. Then I drew that. And after doing that, you're almost done. All you have to do is to join the gears. Join the gears using a ruler. Okay. And we join this line and this line. Now you can outline where you want using a canvas. And you're done on your gears. Then we have an 6 divided by 2, that is 53. So measure 153 on both sides and 106 here. two circles on these points. The first circle is of radius 10. The first circle is of radius 10. This is the same. And the second circle is of radius 21. That is 42 divided by 2. It is 21. And they're all bold. Okay. Then from this point, from this line and this line, you have to mark a distance of 38. Distance of 38 millimeters. Then from this point, you have to mark a distance of 80. That means 40. 80 divided by 2. That is 40 on each side. Then at the point that we marked 40, that is the center. Okay. Then you have to draw a circle of radius 8. You should be very careful when drawing the circle of smaller radius. You should make sure that your compass is very tight. Do that carefully. Then we have another circle of radius 16. And I should not outline this circle since it's not a full circle. Okay, then from here, I have a radius of 24. This is bold. Okay, and I can join this point using a ruler. Some applies here. Okay. Then after that, you can outline outline. An outline here. Outline here. Outline here.